Okay, now I'm gonna spawn a bunch of cats again. This time the world is not. I pre-created the world, so it's not taking forever to load, as you can see. And I took a suggestion from my friend. I put multiple command blocks because, yeah, it needs to. And it's not working. Wah, wah, wah. I don't really know how to do this. Oh, now it's working. This a few cats. Oh my god. What the? There's so many. Oh, look at this. This is. Aye. This is gonna work a lot better. Don't think the cats like this. Sad. I kind of feel bad for the cats. Yeah. Sorry, cats. Look how laggy my game is. It's just like pulsing out cats. Let's see. Oh my god, I can barely move. So laggy. Let's see what happens when I fall in here. I'm at like 2 FPS. I'm gonna end this video soon. Oh my. What the? Oh my god. Oh, this worked too well. There's millions of cats. I'm gonna try to break the command block. Let's see my game performance. No, I can't even. It won't let me see my game performance. Oh my god. This is the laggiest. What? I don't know if I can end the video soon. Literally. Okay. I'm just gonna let him keep going and going and going. My volume is back on and the video's about to end. What is the laggiest thing ever? You're lucky if this goes on YouTube because if it's because of my computer. You could say it's a bit slow. Oh my god.